From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Our highs today right around 41 degrees for much of the Treasure Valley. Lots of sunshine, but as I mentioned before, looked a lot nicer out the window than it felt once you stepped outside. So it never really felt like 41 because of our slight breeze that we had blowing throughout the day. It even was happening in the morning, making it quite chilly this morning despite the bright sunshine. We take a look at the almanac though, and our temperatures do match where we should be for this time of year. Morning lows and our afternoon highs, so a pretty typical January day, all things considered, at least as far as the numbers go. But again, it just never really felt that warm, we should say. I'm using air quotes with my fingers, but you can't see me. Our temperature trend as we head through this week, kind of a lot of ups and downs here. We have a cold front that will sweep through Sunday night into Monday, knocking our temperatures down. It's a weakening cold front as it gets closer to our area, so I think for the most part, we're just looking for cloud cover in the Treasure Valley, but there will be some scattered snow showers for southeastern Oregon and up into our mountain zones. Maybe a few flurries here in the valley, but we're not looking for anything in the way of accumulation. It's just going to bring us cloud cover and knock our temperatures down for the first day of the work week ahead. For our mountain areas, it's really light snow, so you see that 20% chance of snow showers. So from time to time, you might see a few flakes, not really looking for significant accumulation. We have to wait until the middle of the week to see some more snow coming into our mountain areas. Here's a look at forecast model, one run of one model telling us how much snow we can anticipate late Sunday and through the day on Monday. And you see it's less than 1/4 inch of snow for any of our mountain locations, higher elevations. Seeing a couple of numbers popping up in the Treasure Valley. That's why I think maybe we see a few flurries from here to there, but it's mostly about the cloud cover and the cooler temperatures on Monday. It's by the middle of the week that we start to see a more active weather pattern coming into play, and that's when we'll start to see more beneficial snowfall for our area ski resorts. So fairly quiet tomorrow. It's a dry northwesterly flow that's in place for us. So we start with sunshine and we won't have to worry about fog tonight, and we end up with more cloud cover by the end of the day. Temperatures are fairly typical for a January day, so very close to average for our morning lows and our afternoon highs, and we wait until overnight Sunday into Monday to start seeing any of those flakes falling from the sky anyhow. So that's how tomorrow looks. It's a dry day for us with clouds increasing and not as much wind as today, but still something, and it makes a difference. It doesn't take much wind to make it feel a whole lot cooler. So this is how it feels heading through the day tomorrow with temperatures that will feel right around the freezing mark. So it's another one of those days where you're dressing for much colder weather than what you're anticipating it to feel like when you're looking out the window. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast, and for a closer look at this and a written form of the forecast, you can always find that at ktvb.com. We'll be right back after a quick break.